Well, hi there, Piper. Yeah, there's nothing out there right now, I don't think. You got a good view of the office from here, don't you? Yeah, and the desk is all nice and clean, so there's plenty of room for you to sit. Look at that. You picked a good spot. And right here, people can just look at you right from the hall. Yeah, they don't even have to come into the office. They can see that you're right there, ready to work. Right on the desk, not at the desk. Look at you. Well, that's pretty cute. That's pretty cute, Piper. Yeah, there's no doubt who the office manager is. Look at that face. Oh, hi there. Hi, baby. Are you doing a good job? I think so. Yeah, you're such a good girl. Oh, oh, she needs to check out what's on the desk. Yeah, that's under the desk down there. Yeah, that's nothing that you could step on. I think she's seeing things through the glass there. Oh, can I check out what's on the ceiling? Yeah. Okay, I'll let you get back to work.